हेलो गाइस, वेलकम। आज हम देखने वाले हैं एप्लीकेशन स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ OroCommerce। सो जस्ट एक्सप्लोर करते हैं, सर्च करते हैं एप्लीकेशन स्ट्रक्चर एंड दिस इज द एप्लीकेशन स्ट्रक्चर। सो थोड़ा सा जूम करते हैं और थोड़ा सा गो थ्रू करते हैं। सो इनका सोर्स कोड जो है वो कम्युनिटी एडिशन प्लेटफॉर्म OroCommerce है, रिपोजिटरी ऑफ द OroCommerce। इसमें एप्लीकेशन, पैकेज एंड कंपोनेंट ये तीन टाइप के होते हैं। ओके, तो बेसिकली यहाँ पे कुछ उनके डिटेल्स दिए हुए हैं। ओरो कॉमर्स, ओरो एप्लीकेशन, ओरो पैकेज। So application repository stores complete solution, and a package repository contains a module that groups a set of ready to use features, and the component that is reusable thing. The code, source code will reusable development modules. Okay, for distribution models, dependency managers and all the PHP community development community has used. And installation required composer.json. As we know, composer.json is the main. So here we have the CRM, and these things are required in the JSON, composer.json. And again the public package list, Oro package list, and the browser npm. Okay, for the registration, this is not our the file system structure. That is the main thing we are looking for today. For the file system perspective, our Oro application contains the structure combinations configurations. Okay, so here we have our folder which is installed in the previous video. Okay, so we will explore the file system structure. Okay, so in the Oro commerce, that is very complicated. So here we have a bin folder, the execution script, the config folder, application configuration, public folder, inside the bundle folder, and then CSS, which is contain the CSS, all, then images, that Symfony ascetic management, and JS, that all the routes, transition, minified files, then media folder, then uploads folder, then index.php, that is application entry point. After that SRC, then template, and then translations, where folder. Inside the where folder we have a data, cache, log, this type of folders we use. And vendor folder, which is the Oro third party installations, dependency, composer JSON file, composer log file, then the readme file. These all things come with the Oro installation. So here we can see the bean folder. Okay, so one folder is console, so you can see here. And the config folder contains the all configurations, the parent level. So after that we have a doctrine, routing, and security. Other than that, we lots of things. Node modules, as you know, public folder, that bundle, JS, and media folder. Here is the index.php file, the entry point. Maintenance files also are maintained, and the other than PHP folder. So we are working on SRC folder. So here the entity, the app kernel. Okay, we never use this, but sometime we want to manipulate that. The bundles, quick bundles, such as translations, where cache, dev, here the cache folders, and the dev environment, prod environment, logs, we have a dev logs also, maintenance pay folder, sessions, the vendor folder, the common. And here we have Oro folder, which is all the bundles and modules Oro has developed. Okay, so was just exploring the Oro bundles. Here you can see all these things. And then env app, this is the entry point where we kept the database configuration and all. type of configuration, Redis and env build, not much we use. And apart from this, a composer.json file is required to use to see to view what installed we have installed. And composer log file, dev environment, dev json, dev log. The Docker composer is help to set up the Docker installations in Jenkins if we are used. Then license, package log, package json, PHP ini, readme file, upgrade full file, and webpack. Yeah, that's it. All these folders we will use when we do some code changes, when we then we'll check. Thank you guys for watching my video. We will see you next video. Thank you. Bye bye. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel.